Welcome. Managing payroll, employee records, and HR processes can become complicated without the right system in place. That's where Paycor comes in. Paycor is a comprehensive HR and payroll platform designed to help businesses manage employee data, process payroll, track time and attendance, and streamline HR operations from one centralized system. With tools for payroll processing, workforce management, and HR analytics, businesses can reduce manual work and improve efficiency across their HR processes. Let's get started. As businesses grow, so thus the complexity of handling payroll, benefits, performance tracking, and compliance. Enter Paycor, an all-in-one HR and payroll solution built for modern teams who want to simplify operations. Stay compliant and empower employees, all from one central platform. Designed for small to mid-sized businesses, Paycor offers intuitive tools that automate key HR tasks and provide real-time visibility into your workforce. Whether you're an HR professional looking to save time, a payroll administrator aiming for accuracy, or a business leader focused on compliance and talent retention, Paycor equips you with what you need to thrive. In this video, we'll walk you through the platform's top features, key benefits, and why Paycor is an excellent choice for streamlining HR and payroll in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the simplified payroll processing. Paycor's payroll module automates everything from wage calculation to tax withholdings. It handles hourly, salaried, and contractor payments with ease and includes features like automated payroll runs, tax filings, and year-end W-2 1099 preparation. This reduces payroll errors, ensures timely payments, and maintains compliance with ever-changing tax laws, saving your business time and reducing stress. Another key feature is the employee self-service portal. With Paycor's employee portal, staff can view their pay history, download tax documents, enroll in benefits, request time off, and update their personal information without needing to contact HR directly. This boosts employee autonomy and reduces HR overhead, all while improving transparency and satisfaction. Another key feature is the integrated time and attendance tracking. Paycor makes it simple for employees to clock in/out via desktop or mobile. Managers can approve hours, manage shift schedules, and review real-time data, all of which integrates directly into payroll. This avoids time card discrepancies and ensures accurate payments while meeting labor compliance regulations. Another key feature is the customizable HR workflows. From onboarding and offboarding to document management and employee status changes, Paycor lets you design automated workflows tailored to your processes. You can create forms, track progress, and get alerts for action items. This streamlines HR operations and eliminates manual tracking, giving your team time to focus on more strategic initiatives. Another key feature is the talent management tools. Paycor includes tools for recruiting, applicant tracking, performance reviews, and goal setting. Managers can track employee development, set up review cycles, and align feedback with company objectives. This helps your team grow, improve retention, and make smarter hiring decisions. With centralized talent insights. Another key feature is the benefits administration. You can easily manage open enrollment, eligibility tracking, and employee elections. Paycor also supports integration with major benefits providers, simplifying premium calculations and deductions. This reduces complexity during benefits season and ensures your employees are fully supported with clear, easy-to-use tools. So, why is Paycor a great choice? Paycor stands out because of its focus on intuitive design, automation, and mid-sized business needs. Unlike larger enterprise platforms, that feel bloated or overly complex, Paycor is designed to be easy to learn and quick to implement, making it ideal for organizations that need a reliable solution without requiring a dedicated. The platform's flexibility allows businesses to customize workflows, reports, and permissions to fit their exact needs. Plus, Paycor's support team and implementation specialists offer guided onboarding and live training, ensuring you're set up for success from day one. What also makes Paycor a standout solution is its constant evolution. The company regularly rolls out new features based on user feedback and industry trends. As a result, businesses not only stay compliant but also stay competitive, leveraging the latest tools to manage people and payroll more effectively. So, whether you're switching from paper systems or upgrading from outdated software, Paycor offers a scalable solution that grows with your team. So, basically, in an increasingly complex business world, having a modern solution for HR and payroll is no longer optional. It's essential. Paycor offers everything you need to manage people, pay, and processes from a single powerful platform. The platform helps reduce administrative burden, eliminate costly mistakes, and create a more efficient workplace culture. So, as your organization grows, Paycor provides the flexibility and insights to evolve with your needs, making it an investment that continues to deliver value long-term. So if you're looking for a user-friendly, all-in-one solution to manage HR and payroll more effectively, thank you for watching this Paycor tutorial. Using an HR and payroll platform like Paycor can help businesses simplify employee management, process payroll accurately, and maintain organized HR operations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on HR software, business tools, and productivity platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.